Hello everybody, this is Rhea with poshplumplans.com, and today I am doing an unboxing of the January 2018 Little Bits box by Mommy Lhey. Now, I have never done an unboxing before. I usually do like planner setups and the TN setups, but I've never done an unboxing. So I figured I wanted to do some brand new videos in 2018, and there are some amazing unboxing videos out there, but I just wanted to try my hand at one and see how you guys like it. So I just want to tell you, first of all, this is January 2018 with Mommy Lhey, and I tried as hard as I could to stay away from social media and all of the unboxing videos because I kind of wanted to be surprised when I opened this box. Like, I did get to see her mood board. She does, Lhey puts up mood boards and lets you know kind of the feel that she's going for. And so of course I took little peeks at that, but for the most part I'm not too familiar with what's going to be in this box. So I am super excited. It's like I'm opening it with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm going to take this and just kind of move it off to the side here so that we've got some space to work with. And then I'll just kind of end up pulling things in piece by piece. So here is the first thing that you see on top, and this gorgeous "She Is Worth It" card is here. I love her mug. It's like black glitter with a gold, gosh, what is that? It's just like gold leather band across the coffee mug. It is just super, super cute. This girl is so stylish. I love it. So if you've ever gotten a Mommy Lhey kit before, you know that it comes with these cards and it tells you exactly what's in your box. So you get pen, washi tape, pattern papers, acetate vellum, all kinds of great stuff is in here. And then underneath my thumb is a secret link that is only available to subscribers, and you can use this link and download the free digital files. So there could be papers, there could be die cuts, there's all kinds of great stuff that Lhey includes, only available digitally, and you have to be a subscriber. So I've got my card. I'm going to use this a little bit later and see what she's got available this month for digital downloads. So next has to be, oh gosh, probably my favorite item in this box, and these usually are my favorite items, the actual traveler's notebook. So this is, oh man, I'm gonna mess it up, an A6 maybe? I can't fully remember, but it is like a pocket wide. And this month is gorgeous. I'm in love with the stripes. These flowers, what are they, roses, peonies? I don't know, they're gorgeous though. I'm just in love with these two colors together. So you get one of these traveler's notebooks, and inside she has two really, really nice inserts. So there are just a few different colors on the inside. So there's a cream, we're not dealing with white, it's a really pretty cream color, and then there's craft paper. So it just kind of alternates between cream and craft, and it's gorgeous. The paper quality is really, really nice. If you have any Tombow markers and you want a hand letter, or even use her stamps in here, I mean, these books are really great, and you get two of them every single month. So I use them to practice my hand lettering, and also my 4-year-old loves to stamp in them. So we use the Mommy Lhey stamps in here. And if you check out my Instagram, you can see a couple snapshots of Nani, or Gigi as we call her, using the stamps on these inserts. So there is the traveler's notebook. Next I'll go in with the washi, and we know that everything just coordinates so perfectly. This washi, oh man, it is so pretty. Just the color schemes that she comes up with. Let's get a little closer. There we go. You can really get a good view of this pattern. It is gorgeous. Very, very nicely matches the traveler's notebook, and they just make perfect complements together. Love them. Okay. I'm just gonna try to wrap this back up a little bit carefully. Maybe we'll do that later. And just put the washi right here. So gorgeous. Next we'll go over the stickers. Now she usually has two sets of stickers in here. This one is the larger set of stickers, which are probably on clear paper. And I've seen a couple girls use these already and kind of put them on the front of their traveler's notebooks. And it looks so great. Whoa. The packaging with Lhey's kits are always gorgeous too. So a lot of people, myself included, can cut these up and use them as dashboards and, you know, all kinds of great crafting things that you can do with this. It's really nice, like a cardstock paper, blank on the back, so you can do whatever you want back here. Would make a really nice dashboard, and pretty much everybody uses the packaging too. It's just gorgeous. So here are the stickers, and they are gold foil, as you can see. I think this one here is actually supposed to be Lhey, and I love that. I love that she included herself in here. Again, so chic, so stylish. It is just on point. I love these big stickers, and they are in fact on clear paper. Oh, let's see if I can do this without messing them up. There we go. So yeah, they are clear stickers, and you can put them wherever you like. I've seen a lot of people put them like on the front here and just add a little saying, so that's a nice touch. Moving on, we always get a gorgeous bag in here, and what I use these for is if I ever have leftovers from this particular kit, I'll keep them all in here. And so I've got these bags just kind of lined up in a cabinet. It's actually my planning cabinet, and I can go in and see if there's any leftovers from the kit, and everything is kept really nicely in the separate bag. So I love that. The notebook actually fits inside, which is really nice if you want to keep your traveler's notebook nice and protected. Go ahead and throw it in your bag, and then it won't get messed up because it's protected by this gorgeous glitter C'est La Vie bag. So these are super practical in so many different ways. You can store your extra stickers in them, pencil case, whatever you want to do, but I love this edition every month. I'm always looking forward to the design of the bag. Okay, let's get into the papers next, because this is always one of my favorite parts, are the papers. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. They are gorgeous, and I think these are actually a photograph, which is new. I don't think I've ever seen that before. That is so gorgeous. You know what, maybe Lhey drew them, I don't know. She's an amazing artist, but it looks like a photograph. It looks really, really great. And on the back of this one is just this rich wine color with the black flowers. I think it's picking up a little bit brighter on my camera, but it is like this perfect Cabernet color, gorgeous. Then I've got this one, which is the C'est La Vie. Gold glitter. It's not actually gold foil, but it really does look like it. She did a great job with this one. And then on the back, it is glitter swirls on this beautiful hunter green color. And oh gosh, my mind is reeling. I can't wait to get started with these. Then let's go on to this, which has to be my favorite paper. I love the flowers here, and yeah, I really do think this is a photograph. This is so beautiful, and that to me, I have been getting Mommy Lhey kits for a few months now, but that's new to me. I haven't seen anything like this before, and it is just so it's so gorgeous. If you hear my little girl in the background, don't mind her, she's just talking to herself. And then this is just a very beautiful ballet pink kind of color with the word hello written most likely in Lhey's handwriting, because we all love her handwriting and she tends to include it. So this is awesome, really nice. And then in the little in the little pocket here, see if I can get this out without driving anyone crazy, that packaging sound.
What are you talking to?
I'm doing a video. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So can I do a project?
Okay.
Huh?
All right.
Huh?
So here are the two papers. We have one vellum. No, this is acetate. And again, it's in that beautiful, beautiful color here.
Can I help here?
Yeah, hold on, baby. And gosh, one side seems to be a little bit lighter than the other, a little bit glossier than the other, and I really like that. I really like that you can play with the different textures here. It is just gorgeous. Love this so much. And then another one of her chic fashion girls with the photograph of the flowers in her hair. This is so, so pretty. Nice vellum. I really love these. This would make a great dashboard cover, or oh my gosh, you could do a million things with this, but it's beautiful. Okay, everybody, we are joined by Gigi. Say hi, Gigi.
Hi.
Okay, and Gigi is gonna help us with the rest of this unboxing because she and I both love the Mommy Lhey kits. Whoa. Make sure it doesn't fall. So this is what's left. Every month there is a bag that comes with it, and it is just chock full of goodies. So let's go ahead and get started pulling some things out. What do we have first? Ooh, okay, so this is first. Let's look at these. We're gonna take them out of the package here. What do you think these are, Gigi?
They called our girls.
They're called girls? Our girls. I like it. These are the bookmarks. Let's get the plastic out of here. So this is the beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh, look at those bows.
Look at those A's.
Ooh, yes, look at those A's. And then you've got today, and you have plans and to do. So I love these. These can just fit perfectly right in the traveler's notebook as bookmarks and little tabs that stick out the top. Just perfect.
Okay, let's do.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Let's open this.
Let's open this. What is this on a beautiful little card?
A bow.
A bow. A bow and a heart. Oh my goodness, so cute. So we're gonna stick this on our traveler's notebook, aren't we?
Yeah.
So pretty. Black sequins.
You're gonna do something.
Wait. Let's move this stuff to the side. Let's put that here. This. Let's get what's next. What's next? What do we see?
This is our stamps we need.
This is the stamps we need. Okay.
So you can dip it on the page.
So you can dip it on the page?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Well, there's the packaging.
This is packaging.
There. And there's the stamps.
There's are the stamps.
So let's hold it a little closer so they can see. So this one says, yours truly, C'est la vie. We've got a couple bows in here. Oh, I think this is a heel with a bow on it. Oh my gosh, that is ridiculously cute.
Let's open it.
Hold on. There is a girl here shopping. This one here says one day at a time. And then our main fashion girl. Oh, these stamps are so cute. Let's put them off to the side. We have to show everybody else what came in the package. Oh yes, these are the die cuts.
Let's open.
Let's put the stamps down and let's get into the die cuts.
I want this one.
Hold on, look at all these. You're gonna help spread these out so we can see them?
Yeah.
Okay, be so careful.
Whoa, look at this girl.
Oh, look at this girl. There's Lhey Bella again. So pretty.
Look at this.
Let's spread them all out so we can see. Oh my. Wow, look at all these pretty designs.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all these pretty girls in here. Wow.
You can set them.
Oh, we're gonna have fun with these, aren't we?
That is so. Look at this little pillow.
Oh, a little pillow.
It's sleepy. Look at this sandwich.
Oops.
Paper.
What are these?
Paper.
These are papers, yeah. Pretty packaging and notes. Oh, yeah. Tons of them, too. It's really pretty good size pack here of notes. And these particular ones are not sticky. A lot of times she does have sticky ones, but this is just a pad of paper, which is great. Just, you know, if you have little notes to write on.
This is one of two.
But this one doesn't have any adhesive this month.
This month is a two.
Oh yeah. Let's look at, oh, the stickers. Yeah, we got lots of stickers.
Yes, two.
Okay, let's look at all the stickers. The packaging, gorgeous. And let's look at these stickers. Some hexagons. Oh, gorgeous deco. Some of that is gold foil, as you can see right in there.
Boys be white.
More gold foiling. You've got Monday through Sunday with some washi and some flags. Here. And some more flags. These are probably what I would use at the top of my Erin Condren planner to cover up the flags and make sure that everything coordinates really well.
Don't mess this.
Okay, I won't mess it up. And then there's some fashion girls. Oh my gosh, this sticker here has makeup on it. I love that. And then some kind of like washi strips at the bottom. What else do we have? Full boxes and headers with a couple checklists right in here. Oh, lots of checklists. That is great. Some really nice headers here. Oh, I love these banner headers. Oh, those are great. Oh, look at these fashion girls. Hello, Grace, Hope, To Do. Ooh, all the days of the week. Do we know them? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
You know all the days?
Yes.
Good. And then your date dots with Monday all the way through Sunday, weekend, and goals. Gorgeous gold foiling. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what else we have. Well, Gigi is beautifully laying out the die cuts. I love that.
That is my beautiful.
It is.
Ooh, this is mine. I can have this.
This is yours. You can have it. Look at this. What is this? A beautiful pen.
A beautiful pen.
Yeah. It's got like black sparkles in it. Let's see. There, we can kind of see a little bit better.
What is this?
Oh, the gorgeous sparkles in here. Beautiful. And last but not least, let's grab these out of here. What do you think these are?
We are kind of covered this with this.
Oh, these are the paper clips.
Can I color?
No, 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 no. Don't color them. Don't color them. Here, do you want to write a note? Write a note for me right here. That's exactly what that's for. Okay, so this.
Don't mess it up.
Okay, I won't mess it up. Gorgeous black, gorgeous gold. This is like, I don't know, maybe a goldenrod or a dandelion.
It's gold.
Gold, yeah, it's like a dandelion yellow. I love this color so much.
That's black.
That's black, you're right. So there we go, Gigi. That's everything that came in our box. Don't you think it's all beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah, say thank you, Lhey.
Thank you, Lhey.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let's color this.